Question 8, Edexcel C2, 2016, could be logs. Express B in terms of A. So part 1, I'm going to do two ways, way 1 and then way 2. So way 1 is use log logs first, and our target is to make one log either side. So log of something, so we know that log of A plus log of B is equal to log of AB. So what was 2 logs is now 1 log, so we multiply first, but this is a minus. So when we do a minus there, we do A divided by B, we do the division first, and then we log it. So log base 3, or 3b plus 1, divided by A minus 2 is equal to minus 1. And to undo log base 3, we do the inverse of log base 3, and the inverse of log base 3 is 3 to the power of. So if we do 3 to the power of this side, we do 3 to the power of that side. A function follows by its inverse. They cancel each other out. And so we've got 3b plus 1 over A minus 2 equals 3 to the minus 1 is the third. So 3, I'm going to multiply by 9. Sorry, multiply by 3 and multiply by A minus 2. So 9b plus 3 equals A minus 2. Take away 3 is minus 5 divided by 9, so B is equal to A minus 5 divided by 9, and that's B in terms of A. Make my A and A, make my 9 and 9. Way 2 is to undo the logs first. So if we do what undoes log base 3 is 3 to the power of. So we've got 3 to the power of log base 3, 3b plus 1, take away log base 3 of A minus 2. So I've done 3 to all of the left hand side, not individual parts, all of it, equals 3 to the power of minus 1. So 3 to the power of A take away B is the same as 3 to the power of A divided by 3 to the power of B. Alright? And that's equal to a third. So this side becomes 3 to the log base 3 of 3b plus 1 divided by 3 to the power of log 3 a minus 2 equals 1 over 3. These two knock each other out, and look, I've got down to this, but in a different way. Part 2, solve the equation. So solve that equation. Well, this is very much like a hard GCSE question or a moderate C1 type of question. We've got 2 to the power of something and 2 to the power of something else. So we can rewrite that as 2 to the power of 2x times 2 to the 5, take away 7 times 2 to the x equals 0. And 7, not 2 to the x, 7 times 2 to the power of x. 2 to the 5 is 32, so we can do that. And then we know that 2 to the power of x squared is equal, what do we do to the powers? A number to a power to a new power, we times the powers together. So this 2 to the 2x is that term squared. So we've got 32y squared, take away 7y is equal to 0. So this, when y is equal to 2 to the power of x. So this is y bracket 32y minus 7 equals 0. So y is 0, or y is equal to 7 over 32. And it's not y, it's 2 to the power of x. So 2 to the power of x is nothing, or 2 to the power of x is equal to 7 over 32. Well, 2 to the power of something is never 0, so we can ignore that. That's impossible. 2 to the power of x is 7 over 32. So if we log both sides, so log base 2 of 2 to the power of x equals log base 2 of 7 over 32. Log base 2 is the inverse of 2 to the power of, and so they do away with each other. The other way of thinking about that was log base 2 means what power of 2 did you use to get to 2 to the power of x? Oh look, x. So x is equal to log base 2 of 7 32nds, 7 divided by 32 minus 2.1926. And because that's answer now, if I go back to the original equation and do 2 to the power of 2 answers plus 5, and I take away 7 times 2 to the power of answer, then the answer should be 0. Syntax error. Minus 2. There's my answer. So 2 to the power of 2 answers plus 5 equals 1.531, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 3, and 7 times 2, 7 times 2 to the power of minus 2.1926 should also be 1.5313, and it is pretty close, so I'm liking that answer.